Yeah, it was like a deep dark purple. It sounded so good. Time to check in. No way. He's got AC?
You both got AC.
What? Oh, that's the ultimate flex. It really is, dude. What do y'all think so far? What's your favorite RX that you've seen? I think ours clearly would be the Cosmo.
Yeah.
They're all beautiful.
That's just like the pinnacle. That guy has a transmission sitting on the ground over there.
Yeah, there's an actual transmission right there. Huh. Well, I know how that feels.
Yeah.
And, well, kind of you too.
Yep.
You're about to go down that road pretty soon, right?
Yep.
Again. I'd love to see the flames come out of this.
Oh.
I was at the dumps. Oh man. Too cool. Never seen those colors on one. I kind of like that split. Which style do you like better? I like that brake setup. Yeah. Man, that's a tough one. That's a real tough call. From Georgia. That's not their accent. I don't know where that came from. Sorry about that. Don't know what I'm doing.
You know, the people watching your channel from Georgia are gonna be pissed.
I know. Sorry, Georgians. Sorry about that. I don't know how you speak. Probably a lot like me from Arkansas. I got a surprise for you now. Truck. This thing is perfect.
Yeah, I get.
It's a 6-lug. It's got the handles like old 60s C10.
Yeah. Do you know what?
Little carbon mirrors.
Do you know anything about these?
I really don't. I've not.
Do you know what that is?
Is that the battery?
Yeah. These had like early gen carbureted 13Bs in them.
Oh.
So yeah, these are 13Bs. I mean, that tailgate's a rotary engine.
Oh my gosh, I would
Rotary
love to
power.
have that on my wall in my garage. Rotary power. Right on the wall.
It's funny, if you ever see any of these for sale, if they don't have that tailgate, the price of them just like plummets.
I can see why. I bet there's more tailgates on walls and garages than actually on the trucks at this point. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go find some grub.
Mr. Food Blogger.
We got no cars, no dogs in here. Got some good food. So you gotta skirt. Yeah, all through the track. The numbered track with poles. Hope you enjoyed the exploring of Bryson City today and the surrounding area. It was a lot of fun. I was glad to bring you along. Congrats to Morgan and Kylan. They're getting married. She said yes for some reason. I'm just joking. I'm playing. Sorry, Kylan. You know, it's late. Detailing the car down tonight. It is getting late. And tomorrow morning, we take on Tail of the Dragon. Pretty excited about that. It's kind of been a bucket list thing for me for a long time. Special thanks to Ernie, who invited me along on this trip, and the St. Louis Rotary crew. Thank all you guys very much. I appreciate you. And let's get this car detailed for pictures cruising around the Dragon. Have a good night. I'll see you in the morning.